Hello. Hello, Power Jing. Are you there? Hello. Hello, Power Jing. Okay, you are here. Can you mute unmute your voice? Hmm? Can you unmute?
Hello, hello,
Can you
hello.
on? Yes, I'm here. I'm
Ah,
here.
yes. Okay.
Uh, can you on your camera?
Camera.
All right. Introduce yourself, Power Jing. You are monitor, you are leader for this group. Come on. I'm giving you around 3 minutes to introduce yourself. Where are you staying? What is your hobby? All right. Okay. What is your intention for this class numerical? What you're going to do? All right. Come on. Can you express yourself? Introduce yourself. Uh-huh.
Uh, my name is Pa, and I
Uh-huh.
come from Aitam, Johor.
Oh, Aitam. Okay,
Mhm.
Aitam. All right.
Okay.
All right. And then some more. What is your hobby?
My hobby is Pikachu.
Ah, Pikachu. I don't know. I don't know. What is a Pikachu?
Pikachu is one
Game ke?
kind of Pokemon.
Oh, Pokemon.
Anime.
Anime. Oh, anime. My daughter also love anime. See my Telegram. She changed to anime. I don't know why.
Yeah, I
All right.
noticed that.
Okay, this is okay. I don't know why people love anime, and then there is a card, whatever. All right, so never mind. I know. Okay, I appreciate your anime, your Pikachu, your. There are so many names, kan?
Yeah.
Toji, Toji Tan, Toji One. I'm also difficult. Okay, so many names. All right. So there's some more. Okay, what do you want to do after completing this course, numerical course? What
Huh?
do you think that this is new for your express before this you are using many calculus and nowadays you are using numerical, so what you feel different?
Mm, feel different about this course.
What is different?
Mm, maybe this course is more about coding
Coding some more,
and
but we're still not learning about coding nowadays, okay?
uh-uh.
Till now,
But
so
the basic lah, we are learning the basic.
basic. All right. So, and then some more, what you want to do after this, after you know the knowledge about numerical.
Then maybe can try to access about the MATLAB lah.
MATLAB lah. All right. You want to learn MATLAB. All right. So, okay, some more. That's all.
That's all.
Yes. Oh, okay. Let's I share with you. Okay. All right. So thank you very much. You are staying with
Okay.
me. All right.
Okay.
Already you are staying with me. We are together now. All right. So I'm not alone in this room. Okay. All right. So let's restart our subject. All right. So I hope my voice clear. All right. Okay. We finish. Okay. P-Waging. We finished already about Gauss. Gauss elimination with partial poverty. Finish already or not?
I
Not
thought
yet.
finish already.
Not finished already with partial poverty.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you think so? I think we just finish up to Gauss elimination. Okay. Gauss elimination with partial poverty finish already or not?
Wait
Gauss elimination with partial pivoting. I'm not sure. I think it's not completed yet. Am I right? Can somebody answer? Can not completed. Am I right? Somebody can answer at the chat room. at the chat. You put, hmm? Not completed. Yes. Hmm? Not completed or what? Anybody can answer? We finish already. If no mistake, finish already. All right, Aziza. All
I
right.
thought finished already.
Finish
Yeah.
already. So now let's we continue to the factorization. Now, okay, we continue. Okay. All right. So to factorization method. All right. So now let's we continue to factorization method. That's I share with you. Okay. The um, the the video, right? So let's we go to the factorization. Okay, we already have Dolittle factorization. Am I right? Finish already Dolittle factorization. Hmm? Let's we
Fit.
go. Dolittle finish already or not? How about Dolittle? Dolittle finish already or not? Dolittle? Hmm? Yes, finish. All right. So now we go to now we learn
Yeah.
crowd. Am I right? Crowd factorization. All right. So now finish already. So now let's go. Okay. P Regine. All right. I unmute you because we want to I want to talk. All right. So now I share with you now. All right. The crowd factorization. Okay. So okay. I go to the screen. I go to the share screen. All right. Share screen now. Right, with the um, crowd factorization. All right. So I share with you crowd factorization. Okay. Now let's restart. Mhm. We learned already about Dolittle method. Okay. We learned about Dolittle method. Okay. What is a Dolittle? Dolittle is okay. Let's we focus the lecture today. Okay, the little is about how we factor the matrix AU equal to X. Now, factorization is similar to the little. However, the diagonal value um, for the upper matrices is always 1. Okay, so now let's we go to the little factorization. Okay, so now uh, the process of crowd factorization is based on the we decompose or we do a factor of A equal to LU. L is a lower matrices, all right? However, U is upper, where the value for upper is always diagonal is always 1. So that is different between crowd and Dolittle. The same, the process all similar, all right? So you have to know when we said that you are using crowd factorization, you need to find how many parameters? 9. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. 9 parameters, all right? So now to make, okay, to reduce the computational, we want to replace A, B, D as a value at A, okay, as a value at A, all right? So that's we are doing, all right? Okay, can you okay with me now? All right, so now let's we go to the crowd factorization. The same thing we apply, okay, the same thing we apply the process of ax equal to f. A is a lu, okay, lower times upper. All right. We also same process at Dolittle. We need to replace ux equal to w. All right. So meanings that we need to solve lw equal to f and then followed by ux equal to w. All right. So we need to do two process where involve l and u. Okay, lower and upper. So now the first step you need to solve lw equal to f where L is a lower, you need to find A, B, C, D, E, F times W, okay, W1, W2, W3 up to Wn, and F is given in the question. Okay, use forward substitute, all right, because L is a lower matrices, you use forward substitute. The next step, okay, the fourth step is you need to solve AU equal to W, where X is a value that you want to find. So you can use calculator, but write the process of backward substitute, all right, to get X. Okay, write the process of the backward substitute where you are using the U. U is a upper matrices. All right. So now let's resolve the same question, the same all right condition, okay, like we solve in Dolittle, right? We want to compare, okay, which is more efficient, whether crowd or Dolittle, just to replace diagonal value 1 at U or at lower at L. All right, so this is different. All right, so now, okay, we are solving the linear system of equation. All right, ax equal to f. All right, so we can get from the linear system of equation, we can transform to the matrix. Okay, we can transform to the matrix. Okay, the value of A, okay, we see it is a 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 9x3, 2x1 minus x2, all right, plus x 6x3, 5x1 plus 2x2 minus 4x3 equal to negative 13, okay, 14 and 28. So this is a common for us. Okay, the process is very simple because we are using 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, the next step is decompose or factor matrix A to LU by finding the parameter, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. However, to reduce the computational cost, to reduce the computational time, all right, so we replace ABD as a value at the matrix A 3 to 5. All right, so this is a way how to reduce, okay, to make it more fast calculation. So you just find the value CEFGHI, 6 only. All right, so you reduce because of you know that when you match the matrix LU and A, you know that ABD can be get from the matrix A. All right, so now you get A equal to 3, B equal to 2, and D equal to 5. All right. So now, we continue, all right, to do the calculation here. All right. So we do the matrix multiplication between, all right, L and U by insert the value A, B, D as 3 to 5. Okay. So you are quite familiar to do matrix multiplication, 3 by 3. So you have no problem. Come on. Okay, 3 times G is a 3G, 3 times H is a 3H. Is the first row. The second row is a 2G plus C, and then the last element is 2H plus CI. All right, so this is a second row. The third row is quite longer, okay, quite longer because you need to focus on the last element for the third row, 5H plus EI plus F. So you have three terms, all right? So be careful, all right? And then let's we continue, okay? We continue to get all the parameter C, E, F, G, H, I, all right? G, C, E, H, G, H, I. Right, so we match between matrix L and U to the right. Come on, you are familiar. You are using a familiar process. Come on, you are using a familiar process. All right, what is a similar process? You need to find a parameter. All right, and then you need to decompose or partition or factor matrix A, L, and U. All right, so this is a common. Be careful because this is a manual. You cannot use your calculator. All right, to get straightforward L and U. Cannot. You need to do manual. Be careful. All right. So now, okay. I focus to my lecture. Okay. All right. So now 3G match, yeah. 3G is equal to 2. So G is equal to, okay, 2 over 3. All right. 3H, this is a sequence. You need to go to first row. 3H equal to 9. All right. So H is equal to 3. So this is a sequence you need to find. And then 2G plus C equal to negative 1. 5G plus E is equal to 2. All right. So this is a sequence that you need to follow by row, okay, or by column. All right. So you can get C is equal to negative 1 minus 2G. G already got from the previous step. Make sure correct because it's a dependent. Must be correct. All right. So negative 1 minus 2, 2 over 3. So the answer is C equal to negative 2.3334. All right, because we are using 4 decimal places. Please, before you start whatever you need to press your calculator mode fix 4. All right, 4 decimal places to control the transcription error using calculator. All right. So the next is a 5G plus E equal to 2. You need to find what is E. So, okay, you need to do, okay, every step to finish to get all the parameter, and then towards the end you success to decompose A to LU. All right. So G 5G plus E equal to 2. So E is equal to 1.3334. All right. 335. Okay, press your calculator. Okay, so what is the benefit when you do this one? Your skill of using calculator is very fast. You have a good skill. Okay, you press calculator, all right, with the confidence. And then now is 2H plus CI equal to 6. Match on your matrix A. I equal to 6 minus 2H divided by C. C already got from the previous step. All right. So this is very dependent parameter to get the parameter, okay, G, C, I, F, E, all right. So be careful, all right, because after this you want to apply LW and UX equal to W. So all is dependent from the previous step, all right, be careful. When you use MATLAB, everything fine because calculator or server will process your execution, all right. So you get another one is very long, okay, 5H plus EI plus F equal to negative 4, very long. All right, so meanings that be careful when you want to fit the value H, be careful when you want to fit E and I. So the answer is, okay, please fit, okay, be careful, use your calculator, press your calculator as fast as you can, all right, because you need to answer this question with 4 steps in 20 minutes only. 20 minutes only, all right? So try to improve your skill. So F is equal to negative 4 plus minus 5H. H is, you got already from the previous step, 3 minus E. E is a negative 13335, all right? And now I is already got from the previous step is equal to 0. All right, so all 0. All right, so you will get F. Okay, you refer from the previous step, always referring, see my video always move up and down. I want to make sure that is a confirm the value. Press your calculator, negative 9.0. Okay, 9.0. All right, so press your calculator. Okay, you success, okay, you already success, okay, develop the matrix A into two factor, L and U, where the one is a diagonal for matrix upper, right? And then the rest, okay, A, B, D is you can get from matrix A, 3 to 5, all right? So the rest, okay, since this lower, fit in all the value, all right, your C, your E, all right, your I, your F, your G, all right, the rest is 0, all right, because there is two matrices, Upper means that the lower matrices is the lower element is zero. All right. All right. So it's lower means that the upper value is a zero. So be careful. This one you need to be careful. All right. When you arrange the lower and upper. Oh, okay. So you can see that all the value in four decimal places. Control your calculation to four decimal places. Now, as I mentioned before, go to the third step. As a Dolittle also, you need to go the same thing. All right, because you know that L double L U X equal to F, you assume L W equal to F, where W is a U X. Okay, this is a common. All right, where we put as a parameter W, pemberubah patung we call. All right, so put the value L times W1, W2, W3 because 3 by 3 matrices. And then your F, okay, is given in the question. All right. So now, in this case, press your calculator to avoid your mistake. All right. I don't want to do mistake. Okay. I don't want to have any mistake. When you do the matrix 3 by 3, 4 by 4, you cannot avoid. You need to do manual. All right. The exercise in the book, okay, there is a 4 times 4 here. Okay. You need to do manual. All right. Because calculator not avoid 4.4 unless you have high ends calculator. All right. So press your calculator. Okay, get the answer. What is W1, W2, W3? Okay, I'm stopped here. I'm hope. Okay, once your friend will do it, I'm straightforward to your chat. Okay, can you find all the value of W? All right. Okay, can you find all W, the value of W when you press the calculator? Can you write here W1 equal to W2 equal to W3 equal to. Press your calculator. All right. So I want to see, okay, your calculator. What is W1, W2, W3? This is a using calculator, not using, okay, back. This one is a forward, not using forward substitute. You are using calculator. All right. Get the answer first. After that, okay, I'm waiting the answer from the top chat. Okay, somebody Hidayah is here. All right. I saw Jinx also here. All right. Hidayah also here. Siti also here. Please find what is W1, W2, W3. Use your calculator. Use your calculator. All right. All right. So please use your calculator. I want you to find W1, W2, W3. All right. Can somebody insert the value at the top chat, YouTube? All right. You need to register before you do the uh, writing, okay, at the top chat at the YouTube. All right. Anybody? Okay, I'm waiting. Nobody here. All right. I'm waiting the answer. Okay, come on. Apa Wiji? Okay, you are with me now. Okay. Okay, can you get the answer, Wiji? I think you can answer straightforward because you are same room with me. Okay, Wiji, come on. Okay. Mhm. Or nobody. Okay, W1, W2, W3. Okay, I waiting for the answer. Please be fast. Can you get? Okay, all right. Mm-hmm. W1 is a 28 over 3. All right. I'm waiting. Okay. Anybody can answer? Anybody can answer? Can join me the next class with me the same room. All right. W1 is 9.33. Aziza. Next. W2. Okay. W2. All right. Okay. W2 1.9999. All right. W3 is a W3 is a okay 3. Okay, low Bian also the same thing. Thank you very much. Very good feedback. Thank you very much. Okay, I stop here. All right, I focus to our step. Okay, since you are using calculator, so the next step is very correct now. Okay, I'm confident your answer, but you need to write. Using back forward substitute, W1 is 9.3333. All right, you need to write. You need to write here. You need to write. All right, so W2 is equal to 1.99999. All right, so you need to write. Just write. But the answer from your calculator. Look at your calculator. All right, this one is to avoid the mistake. All right, this is ticks. Okay, W3 is equal to 3. So you are using forward substitute. All right, the next step is to get U. All right, how to get U is using a backward substitute. Same as Dolittle. Same as Dolittle. You are using for backward substitute. All right, so please put in your U. You already got from the previous step. Okay, what is your U? U is see your U is a 10.667310 and 1. All right, so this is your U. Okay, so you go to U. Okay, then again, please use your calculator. All right. The W already got from the previous step in step 3. All right. I'm also waiting from you to get the value of U. All right. Please use your calculator where your U is, come on, I already have a U before. All right. So get the value. So now you need to get the value x, okay, the value x, right? So in this case, you need to press your calculator. You already got, okay, you can use your books, okay, all the notes in the ebook. I'm already on your e-learning for chapter 2 ebooks, okay, chapter 2 e-notes, okay, we call e-notes. All right, okay. Okay, I'm waiting you to get what is a you by using your calculator. Please improve your skill. Come on, improve your skill. All right. So this is very important to make sure that you improve your skill. This is very important. Come on, I'm always remind you during the exam. Don't scared. All right. I don't want you scared. Press calculator straightforward. All right, so now by using the backward substitute, you calculate the value of x, and the x value, all right, you can see here, okay, very simple using a backward substitute, okay, but you need to write. You know what is a u, what is a x1, x2, x3, but you need to write. Okay, see my cursor is always up and down, okay, to match, okay, and here you can see that x3 is equal to 3, okay, you go to the okay, x2 is equal to 1.999 because the value of a23 is 0. All right, so go up. Okay, you can get straightforward. X1 is equal to, you need to do some long calculation here. Okay, 1 plus 0.667 x2 plus 3 x3 is equal to 9.33333. So you will get x1. All right, so you need to write here. Please write. All right, because it shows that you know how to get the value without calculator. Actually, you are using a calculator. All right, so this press calculator to just to remind you. Actually, you don't need to write. You just said that back substitution, you can get x3, x2, x1. So what is your solution? Your solution is ax equal to f. You want to find x. So this is the value of x. Okay, but you need to go through how many steps? 4 steps. How many steps you need to go through? 4 steps. All right. So be careful. Dolittle and crowd, you need to go through 4 steps. All right. So now Dolittle and crowd, they can solve A is a full matrices. Okay. All right. But there is a specific matrix where sometimes matrix is a diagonal, sometimes the matrix A is a positively defined, sometimes matrix A is a symmetry. So how to solve is a matrix is symmetry? All right. So there is a question now. How to solve if the matrix is symmetry? How to solve is linear system of equation where matrix A is a diagonal. Diagonal means that all zero, there is only a value at the center. So there is a two question. we want to answer. Okay, till now. Okay, thank you very much. Try, you already get the same answer. So now, my any question. Okay, until now you learn two factor. First is a dolittle, second is a crowd. Any question? Okay, come on. If there is any question before I move to the condition of A, whether A is symmetry or A is a diagonal matrix. All right. So before that, I'm waiting any question before I share. Before I go to the how to solve matrix is a symmetry. We call this metric as a crowd factorization. So I'm waiting from the rest. Okay, come on. 21, saya ada kelas. Saya ada kelas. Kejap lagi saya call. Saya ada kelas. Kejap lagi saya call. Saya kelas. Okay, okay, okay. Sekejap lagi saya call. All right. Okay. No question? Wow, no question. All right. So are you sure that you can follow my subject? Are you sure that you can follow my question? My class, I'm very worried. Okay, the important is you need to improve your skill. This is very important to improve your skill. Right, since there is no question, let's we continue. All right, so if I can share with you my slide here. All right, I think I share already. Okay, this is a video. Okay, so we already have the little. Now let's we go to the Kolesky factorization. Okay, I stop here. Thank you, no Nadira. All right, so now, all right, so I want to focus my subject here. All right, okay, bye bye. All right, so I focus my class here. All right, so what is to solve? Okay, this is a style. Okay, style of matrix A. There are many types. Okay, if A is a symmetry or A is a positive define. Okay, why we said that the A is a symmetry? Because A is equal to transpose. You are mathematician. You are very expert in calculus. You are very expert in calculus. So how to say that A is a positive? This is fine. You are very good in calculus. All right. So symmetry is A equal to A transpose, and positive define is a X transpose times A times X is greater than 0. So meaning that only one value you can show that the X is a great, the operation is always greater than 0 and X is not equal to 0. So please keep in mind when I said that when you use Kolesky factorization, when A is a symmetry and where A is a positive define, you need to show that A transpose equal to A, and then you need to show that X transpose A X greater than 0. Keep in your mind. What is x? X is the value depend on the size of matrix A. See here, matrix A here is a 3 by 3. Okay, matrix A here is a 3 by 3. So can you, I want you to find whether, how to find this matrix, okay, how to find this matrix, okay, I stop here, all right. How to find this matrix is symmetry. I give a time. How to fill the value of x, okay, how to fill up the value of x. Come on, fill up the value of x. Okay, there are many x there. Okay, please find how to make sure that this is a symmetry matrix. All right, you know that what is how to get x. All right, so you are thinking how to do that. Am I right? So now let's I give you the discussion from my question here. Right, so I can share with you my PDF file. If I can go to the PDF file, yes, I get it. My PDF file here. Okay, I share with you now my PDF file. Mm, okay, make it more small. What is method is a A transpose example for the so now you see all right, so you can see here, maybe I can make it more small, all right, so it's okay. Okay, so now, okay, to make it, okay, this is my question, all right. How to, okay, I hope I still sharing my PDF file to you, all right. So you can see here my PDF file, okay. I'm sharing here, find the element, okay. So now, what is the x? X value, you need to make sure that the value should be every row is equal to every column. So if 2 negative 1 0 is first row, there will be first column 2 negative 1 0. If this one is first, the third row 0 1 5, this one is also you need to value this value a 2 3 is a 1. All right, so this is the answer. The answer is whatever every row will be uh, every column. Okay, row 1 equal to column 1, row 2 equal to column 2, row 3 equal to column 3. All right, so means that this is the answer. 2 negative 1 0, 2 negative 1 0, negative 1 3 1, negative 1 3 1 for column 2, and then row 3 0 1 5 will be column 3 0 1 5. All right, so this is a symmetry matrix. All right, so how to prove? How to prove? You need to do x transpose ax always greater than 0. All right, so in this case, okay, please, come on, okay, I want you to remember the process of matrix multiplication, okay, the process of the matrix multiplication. How the process? The process is a, if x is a 3 times 1, Okay, A is a 3 by 3, and then the value, the matrix X is a 1 times 3 because this one is a transpose. So the value should be one value, all right? Should be one value. You go here, okay, let's redo the A times X. A times X is a negative 2x1 minus x2 minus x1 plus 3. Come on, we do the matrix multiplication between A and X, and then 5x3. And then this is the value on your left hand side, which is X transpose. All right, so you can see here 3 times 1 times 3. This one is a 3 times 1. The value should be one value. This is the value. All right, so you can get the value 2x1 squared minus x1 x2 plus x1 x2 plus 3x2 squared plus x2 x3 plus the last element x3 plus x2 x3 2 times x3 plus 5 x3 power 2. So to make sure that all the value should be positive, you need to make sure that you need to put in the factor where the factor is all squared, all right? And then the value squared, okay, for example, whatever x1, x2, x3, whether negative, when you square will be positive. So now let's refactor. Okay, we have a 2x1 squared, okay, plus 3x2 plus 5x3 2 plus negative 2x1 x2 plus 2x2 x3. All right, so now let's refactor. I know you're quite familiar to do factorization. All right, so I factor this one. I can get x1 squared minus x2 squared, x2 squared minus x3 squared, minus 2x2 squared, minus plus x2 x3 squared. The rest I put on the right hand side. This is a x1 squared plus x2 squared plus 4x3 squared. All right. So this is I factor. I try to factor it because in set in my mind, I need to make sure that x transpose x times x is always greater than 0. All right. So I successful factor x squared plus x1 minus x2 squared plus x2 plus x3 squared plus x2 squared plus 4x3 squared. All right. So the way you factor, okay, you group how you want to factor on your right hand side, and then the balance you put on the right hand side, and then you arrange to make the environment, okay, to make this expression always squared. Okay, x1 squared, this one also squared, this one also squared, this one also squared, this one also squared. Squared plus squared always positive. So you can prove this matrix A is a positive defined. So there are two elements you need to set in your mind how to prove A is a symmetry. Second, how to prove A is a positive defined. All right, please follow the formula. A transpose equal to A is always positive. A is always symmetry. X transpose A, X is always A is a positive defined. And then next, okay, you can solve the problem when the A is a symmetry. All right. So now let's reapply, okay, the Kolesky factorization using this, okay, this example. All right. So now, can you transform the matrix the linear system of equation to the matrix form? Can you transform to the matrix form? I'm waiting you to transform to the matrix form. And then please use two decimal places. Press your calculator in two decimal places, mode fix 2. Use your calculator, get the answer, what is the value of x1, x2, x3. All right, so this is just to verify, not your solution. I can't give you a marks if you use your calculator. I give you a mark if you can apply Kolesky factorization. All right, so press your calculator. Please press your calculator. I'm waiting for you. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Any value for this one is A to 1, A to 2. Okay, good. This one, Eric already answered the question just now. Very good. Boy also answered the question. Very good. But now my question is, what is the value for x1, x1, x2, x3 here using calculator? Using calculator. calculator, but don't use okay. But this is not your answer when you want to okay, show your answer. Yeah, this is not. Just use the calculator. I just want you to use your calculator. That's all. All right. Mhm. Okay. This is my question. What is the value? All right. So now, when you go to okay, the value, all right, so you can use two decimal places. Okay, the first thing you need to know that the metric is a symmetry. I'm not sure. Let's find whether A transpose equal to A is a positive define. You need to follow this one. Okay, so they already positive define because A equal to A transpose, because we want to know that A is a symmetry. So L is equal to L transpose. Okay, L is equal to L transpose because L is equal to U transpose and U is equal to L transpose. So means that L is equal to L transpose or U equal to U transpose. You need to know this is a condition when you work with the A is a symmetry. All right. So now you need to okay find as usual like like Dolittle and crowd. You need to write A equal to LU, but U is a L transpose because A is a symmetry. Why symmetry? Because A equal to A transpose. All right, so you already confirm. Okay, A is A transform. All right, so now please put the parameter. Very easy in the Kolesky. Whatever you write, parameter A, B, C, D, E, F, you need to arrange to upper matrices A, B, C, D, E, F. So how many parameter you need to find? Only six. Okay, six parameter. All right. Kolesky, you need to have how many parameters? Six also. Crowd, how many parameter you need to find? Six also. Kolesky, how many parameter you need to find? Six also because A is a symmetry. So when you do a matrix multiplication, okay, don't forget A times A B, A D, okay, B A B, B squared plus C squared, B D plus C E, A D, B D plus E C, A D squared plus C squared plus F squared. All right. So this is the way how you do the multiplication between lower and upper. All right. In our case, it's a L and L transpose. You can use U and U transpose. It depends. All the simulation is similar. The arithmetics operation is similar. All right. So please choose one. All right, so now I compare between whatever parameter I got L and L transpose to A. I'm trying to match the parameter. Be careful. I match matrix A. Matrix A is what? Matrix A is from the question 4, negative 1, 1, negative 1, 4.25, 2.75, okay, 1, 2.75, 3.5, 5, and then the F is a 9, negative 1.25, and 0. So you already know the value of A and F from the question. All right. So now A squared equal to 2. So A will be 2 value, positive and negative. Because we deal with a numerical, so choose a positive one or negative. So I choose positive. You choose positive. Please choose positive. All right. So the next is what? Okay. All right. So you know what is the value to get? Yes, very good. You know what you match already L transpose and matrix A. You get the value A is equal to 2, B is equal to negative 1, negative 0.5, and D is equal to 0.5. Just match. Okay. Just match between L transpose and A. And then we continue to get B squared plus C squared equal to 4.25. So C will be give you two value. However, choose a positive one to control the process of calculation. C is a 2 and then E is a negative 3 over 2. So you need to put in the sequence how to get the parameter. And then the last is the long part is a D squared plus E squared plus F squared 3.5. F is a 3.5 minus D squared minus E squared is equal to 1. All right. So this is very easy. Okay, not difficult because you just use B squared plus C squared, BD plus CE. All right. So the value is symmetry. AD at the A13, but A31 is also AD. All right. The value BD plus CE at the A23, and then the value at 32 is also similar. All right. So this is a powerful of symmetry matrix. Okay. So the important is now you need to go to the step one where you can decompose matrix A to two matrices, lower and upper. All right, L and L transpose. See, the value is similar. Whatever in the first row will be a first column in the lower matrices. Whatever the second row for upper, so will be the second column for lower matrices. So it should be similar. Don't have a different value because L is L transpose is equal to A. So now, similar to Dolittle and Crow, you need to go through another step where the value is a AX equal to F, LL transpose X equal to F. Okay, what is the next step? What is the next step? All right, what is the next step? So my question is, what is the next step? Okay, I said that there is a two step. What is the next two step? There is a next two step. What the value you need to find? All right. So this is my question. What is the next two step? All right. So X1 is your friend said that. Okay. Your friend also Aisha also said. Erin also said that. Okay, this is a value of Erin. Very good. All right. Zurin also, Aziza also find the value of the last, okay, the last solution to get X, okay. Bin also, okay, get a value. Okay, my question is how to use a S1, S2, S3. So this is your friend. Thank you very much for your feedback. Very good. You are using calculator. I hope you're expert using your calculator. All right. All right. So now what is the next step? What is the next step after we decompose, after we partition matrix A to LL transpose? All right. So what the next step? The first step is what? I'm waiting. Mhm. What is the first step? You need to find what? Same as Dolittle, same as Crow. You need to find what? What is the next two step? That is my question. I'm waiting. Come on, answer. Register at the YouTube. Okay, I love to teach you at YouTube because there are so many feedback here. Okay, I'm very happy you understand my subject. All right, thank you very much. What is the next two step? Okay, I'm not worried because there is an expert here. You can work in group. All right. So the next two step is what is the next two step? Okay. All right. The next two step you need to find W. All right, because L transpose X equal to W. Okay, L W is equal to F. All right, so you need to assume two things. The first is L transpose X equal to W. This one is equal to W, and L W equal to F. Which one you need to run first? The first, of course, whatever you know, L you know, F also you know, you use, okay, forward substitute, lower times W equal to F, you need to find W. As usual, lower you know, all right, the value same as L transpose, upper, you need just twist column to row, and then W, okay, you need to use calculator to avoid the mistake. I don't want you to use manual. W1 is equal to 9. All right. I know 9 over 2. All right. So the next is you use the calculator, put your value in the calculator. All right. Using MoodFit tool. And then you can right there is using forward substitute. You can get W1 is 9 over 2. Negative 0.5 W1 plus 2 W2 is equal to negative 1.25. So W2 is 0.5. W3, how to get W3? 0.5 W1 plus 1.5 W2 plus 3 W3 is equal to 6. So you will get W3 is equal to 3. All right. Actually, you are using calculator. You just use the result in the calculator and fit in your answer script. but don't write use calculator here. Okay, I just want to express to make you understand. All right, the last step. Okay, the last step is the last step is to get the x. Okay, where L transpose x equal to F. What is L transpose? It's similar like L, but you transpose. All right, the value is similar to L, but you transpose. This is will be upper matrix. Okay, in the Doolittle and Crowd we put U, but in the Kolesky you put L transpose. All right, you will get. Okay, use your calculator again. Use your calculator again, all right? And then here you use backward substitute, right? By using a backward substitute, you can get x3 equal to 3, 2x2 plus 1.5, x3 equal to 0.5, all right? 2x1 minus 0.5 x2 plus 0.5 x3 is equal to 9 over 2. Actually, you are using calculator. Just get, okay, write again your answer that you get in calculator, but you write in the back substitute manner. How you use back substitute manner? You just write it, but the answer you get from the calculator. That's why here I put right here. If you want to write, go ahead. You need to write x1 equal to 9 over 2 plus 0.5 x2 minus 0.5 x3 divided by 2. You will get x1 equal to 1. So come on. Okay, this is the answer you need to write using backward substitute. All right. So Skoleski is very simple because Skoleski, the value of L and L transpose almost similar. All right, just the change column to row, row to column, and then write the answer x1 equal to 1, x2 negative 2, x3 equal to 3. All right, very simple. Okay, so meanings that find W. Okay, G said find W. Very good. All right. So the way I'm teaching, same as if I'm using W, W. If you want to use Y, Y. All right. So in this case, okay, what is the efficient of the Kolesky? Very easy because the matrix is symmetry. So when we have a question, you need to check whether A is a symmetry or diagonal or full matrices. For full matrices, you need to go to Doolittle and Crowd. All right? Okay. So, finish already. You are already learned two things. The first is a crowd factorization. Crowd is all the diagonal for upper matrices is always 1. The second is you are using Kolesky. Kolesky, the matrix is a diagonal. Matrix is the matrix is a symmetry and positive defined. All right, you learn how to prove here. How to prove symmetry? A transpose equal to A. All right. How to prove positive define? If they ask you to prove, you prove. If they not ask you to prove, don't prove. All right. So to prove the positive define, x transpose A times x is always greater than 0. All right. All right, you learn two things. Okay, what you learn? Crowd and Dolittle. Very easy, all right, because the same method that we learned before is a Dolittle and what we learned before is a Dolittle and Crowd. So we also same use a 4-step to implement the Kolesky method. All right. So now let's I check. I'm always checking, make sure that your chapter one good. You know why? Because we are going to have a exam. We need to have a test. I'm afraid you are not preparing. All right. So now, all right. I want to change my okay. Any question until now? Any question? All right. Please write here. I'm waiting your question. Okay. I'm waiting your question. Don't worry. I'm still waiting. All right. Your question here. Okay. Any question? Mm-hmm. No question? Okay, you have question. Okay, you. Okay. Right. So the answer is there. I put here. You need to write all the step. Okay, all the step. All right. All right. So if you can go to here, right? I write to the chat room. Okay, you can also go to the Telegram. Okay, go to the Telegram. Click at the Telegram. Okay, go to the Telegram. All right, your friend is always there. You can scan. You can use your handphone. Okay, come on. All right. To answer this question, make sure that you answer the correct. Okay, you need to answer the correct answer, right? Don't guess. Okay, the correct one. Okay, is a big question. The answer is big. If the small question, the answer is should be specific. All right. Come on. You can go to the Telegram. All right. So I want to start the game soon. Come on. All right. So come on. I start the game. All right. You can answer your question. All right. Good luck. Good luck. Okay. I put you in the group. I put you in the group. You see here. This is your group. All right. You can work in the group. You ask your friend. Okay. This is your group. Okay. I put you in the group. You are working in group, eh? You are working in a group. All right. All right. This is your friend. Congratulations. Okay, this is the answer. Second method. Okay. Jadi answer Newton method. Okay, Newton method. All right. Intermediate value theorem. Don't confuse with other answer. Bisection method and fall position method. They are using a condition. Fixed point should be G prime between -1 and 1. Root is a solution to find the nonlinear system of equation. All right, very good. All right, congratulations. The winners is go to the telegram, okay? Is Fatanah Pa Weijing. Wow, our monitor. Where is Pa? Aziza and Sheha. All right, thank you very much. Okay, for your joining us. Okay, the games now. All right, so I exit the games. Okay, thank you very much. All right, so come on. I want also. Okay, give you some exercises if I can share StreamYard with you. All right, I share. Okay, okay. What you have to know when we do the online teaching and learning, this is the what we get here. All right, so we go to the okay. Wow. Okay, the network today, your network is okay. All right, so now let's we go. How submit for this one. All right. So I give a question. Wow, your friend also. All right. They ask. They already get the try to get the answer. Okay. So this one. Okay. This is a question. Okay. Go to the. Mhm. All right, go to the question here. Okay, show all the calculation in four decimal places means that you need to move fix for this question A B C D E F G H I, and then using a different method bisection, fall position method, Newton method, second method, fit point, iterative method, bisection method, fall position method, Newton method, second method. All right, so this is the question. So I put in the group. Okay, I have a group Bravo for question number C, group Success, question number F, and then the rest is question number A is a group Star, group Suite, group Bravo, group Bravo already got, okay, and then group Daisy, all right, and then group Star, yeah, so many. So I want group Smile, group Clover, group Success, group Shilin. So since group Star have two questions, never mind. I have another group. All right. So I will create another group for group Star here. There are two questions. All right. So you go to your question to your question here and then put answer. So this is your friend. How to do that? All right. So you just take a photo and then work in group. Work in group. All right. So don't make your friend the same person. Okay. Answer the question. All right. So this is your exercise. Why I give this exercise? Because why I give it this exercise? Because I need to make sure that okay. Okay, I think I already share with you. Okay, I'm not sharing. Okay, the all right. Go to I need to share this one. All right, I need to share this one. So why I sharing this question with you? Because I want to make sure you are expert in calculating the value. all right, in calculating the value as put in using your calculator. I'm afraid you cannot use your calculator very well, all right, so that's I'm afraid, all right. So and then you not spend much, okay, time to press, okay, your skill pressing your calculator. Come on, I want to see this answer from your friend. Okay, so now the question is x3 minus x minus 1. You want to solve this using bisection method. So I want this one. I want the way you calculate, okay? And then you get the answer is 0.75. Why you stop at the 0.7549? Because, okay, the first is the value of f is converged to zero, less than zero, okay, less than epsilon. The second, if I go to here, is very far. Okay, the value of C is always greater than epsilon. You cannot stop here. But because of the condition FC is zero, so that you need to go through the 10 iteration. Very good. Who is this one? This one is from group success bisection method. Let's we go to Bravo. Okay, let's we go to group Bravo. Okay, group Bravo Newton method. So he know how to use a Newton method. Use the formula xi minus fxi divided by f prime x. Very good. Group Bravo. I know this one is only one person do it. All right. So now they do the iteration, and then the root is okay. They go. They not put in the table. They go one by one. If you put in table, very easy for me to see. And then they go to this one. X3 minus x2 is less than epsilon. All right. Yes, less than epsilon. However, you cannot stop x1 and x2 because it's greater than epsilon. Very good. All right. So means that you know how to stop the iteration. So everybody will finish, will terminate from the iteration at iteration number 3. Very good. I'm very good. Okay. I feel very happy for this group. All right. Thank you very much. All right. And then I want to share with you also my e-learning. Okay. My e-learning. Where is my e-learning? Okay. We go to the e-learning. I already post to you the e-learning. All right. I'm very active posting. All right. I'm not asking you to download the video. I post to the YouTube. Okay. Let's I go show. I share with you the e-learning. Okay. Don't forget whatever we do outside, I'm still active the e-learning. Why? Because e-learning is we call as synchronized learning. All right. So I plug all the video here. You don't need to upload, okay, to download the video. It take time, especially people outside, okay, very low bandwidth, low internet connection, so you can just click the YouTube. All right. I also send, okay, how my effort to make sure that you can read me. All right. You go to your Telegram. Okay. I forward to you this one. I forward to you this one. How my effort to develop the video. All right. I develop you a video through the YouTube. All right. To make sure that easy to access, because sometimes, okay, you feel that not easy to go to the e-learning. All right, maybe easy for you to go to the YouTube, so I send to the YouTube. All right. All right, so go to the e-learning. You can get my notes. You can get you can see here. You can go to the e-learning. I already on the chapter 2. There is a ebooks in chapter 2. All right, so you go to the e-learning. You can get the solution. All right, so now let's be focused to the, let's be focused. I share with you now. All right, I share with you now. Your submission. Okay, your submission just now. All right. So and then the same time, I want to answer the question. There are so many questions here. Okay, mo? We want to see from Purani. All right, Purani. Hello. All right. Doctor, for question regarding four position method, FA and FB have the same sign. So how to solve this? Very good question. To solve this is by, okay, not FA and FB. All right, we if there is a same sign, okay, to to solve this is because you do a wrong calculation. You do a wrong calculation to get A and B. All right, because when you said that same size, same sign, means that there is no root. There is no root. FA and FB, the same sign. Positive, positive. There is no root. It should be one positive, one negative. So they will cross at the x-axis. Very good question. So if you have this problem, so you need to check your calculation. All right, very good question. Current is never mind, Purina. I'm also have the same problem when I make a mistake, the same sign. All right, so you cannot find a C. Very good question. Second question, doctor, can you give me more time to answer the assignment till 2 p.m. maybe? That's why I said you need to work in group. Where is your group? All right. So just finish this class. Please answer your questions till 1 p.m. So I will close the system because they will put here the time duration here. All right. I can check the time duration. So never mind. Why? Because okay, for position method, fixed point, Newton. All right. Now chapter 2 did Gauss elimination for apa Dolittle crowd. Wow, Kolsky, you need to answer in 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes only. All right. So you need to practice. Doctor, okay, can no. Okay, I love to look at your question. I'm very happy. Doctor, got problem about question in Padlet. So what is the question? You just click the I give you image file. Okay, you fix where is your question A, B, and C or D until I. Okay, now I get FC equal to zero when I equal to zero. Okay, when I equal to zero, means that you not start the iteration anymore. Of course, okay, when you not start your iteration, all right, so you have no answer. Maybe when you have FC equal to zero or less than epsilon, you stop the iteration. Okay, Z? Okay, 10 GCOM. All right, very good question. When I equal to zero, iteration is zero. All right. So now pay wage in our monitor. All right, our monitor. Where is our monitor? Is always be here. All right. So this is our monitor. Okay. Power waging. Doctor, my group not in the list. Yes, because for the this question only I need A B C D E F G H I only 9 group only. All right. I just park the question for 9 group only. Very good. Okay, for position method. Dia kata, yalah, for position method lah. I know your question is on for position method, but the I is a first iteration. If I equal to zero, A not equal to the boundary condition zero, B not equal to zero. Okay, so you need to control FC less than epsilon. All right, to make sure that they can terminate. Another condition to terminate is that xi plus 1 minus xi less than epsilon. All right, but doctor, we start already only one iteration. Oh, you start with one iteration, you get the answer. Okay lah. If you get the answer, meanings that you cannot get C. Your C is between A and B. So since you get zero, meanings that the method is not matched. It's not matched with the boundary condition. All right. Maybe you need to find the boundary condition. Please use. All right. What's that? GeoGebra to find the root and then get the interval between the root. This is the way how you want to modify the question. All right. Very good question. All right. Any question? No question? Okay, we already finished the class. I told you we need to try to end the class in 1 hour, right? Go to the YouTube, learn self-determined learning, all right? And exercise I put in the Padlet, I put in the e-learning, okay? I put as a quizzes. Okay, this is only to make sure that you can cope my subject, all right? To get A, all right? Okay. I told you my subject almost okay for faculty of science easy to get A because they are very good in calculus. All right, they're very good in calculus. All right, compared to engineering student. Okay, All right, I want to end broadcast. Bye bye. All right, I don't want to be DJ now. I want to stop. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Pei Wei Jing. All right, bye
Pa, pa.
bye. Pa Wei Jing. Thank you. And